Spill Shield by Mannington, the laminate industry's first technology to actively resist moisture. Spill Shield takes the worry away from everyday mishaps, like pet messes, standing moisture, and spills. This factory-applied coating makes laminate flooring virtually impervious to moisture. So now, laminate can go in areas it couldn't go before, like bathrooms and laundry rooms. Even kitchens, popular rooms for laminate in the past, are worry-free today thanks to Spill Shield. Mannington features Spill Shield on its Restoration Collection laminate floors. See Spill Shield in action. A cup has fallen to the floor without the homeowner knowing, and ice is spilled out. Watch as this ice melts but does not damage the floor. These products have a 72-hour moisture warranty, which says that the floor will not be damaged from any ordinary spill or mess that is removed within that period of time. Even after 72 hours, the floor is intact. Mannington offers everything you could want in a laminate floor. Award-winning designs, incredible durability, made in the USA quality, and now, Spill Shield moisture-resistant technology.